Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get some free Bitcoin and how you can avoid paying any fees when you buy Bitcoin, because that's one of the biggest, that's one of the things I dislike most right now is that you pay pretty high fees when you want to trade crypto, buying and selling. There's fees with most of the brokerages right now. So I'm going to be showing you SoFi. SoFi allows you to avoid paying those fees, and they also give you a sign up bonus. It's not $100. It's $100 depending on if you deposit enough. But I mean, no matter what, you're going to be getting some if you deposit any amount of money. I'll show you that in a second. I just want to come down. They're very secure, so you'll keep your crypto secure. You can do it all from the SoFi app, and you can get started with just $10. And yeah, so I'm going to scroll down to the bottom right here, and you can see that if you deposit um, $50, you'll get $10. And in order to get the $100, you'll have to deposit $5,000. But no matter what, you're going to be getting something most likely, because you will probably be depositing at least 50 or more. And so there's going to be a link down in the description. If you sign up using my link, you'll get an extra bonus. But if you don't use my link, which is perfectly okay, you'll still get the $100. So you'll still get the $100 if you don't use my link, but it is down there. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below.